Fever is a very common problem, is found in adults and children as well. In simple words, fever is a rise in the normal temperature of the body. Body's normal temperature is 36 to 37 degrees Celsius, which is 98 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. When the average body temperature goes up than the normal level, then a person may be having fever. Fever is the body's natural mechanism to fight a threat which may disturb its normal functioning. When bacterial or viral threats enter, the body tends to raise the temperature, and that is when the body perceives to be suffering from fever. A mild fever is generally not brought down, and there is no reason to panic unless it affects children, lasts for more than 3 days, or gets so high that there are chances of heat stroke. In a day, body temperature changes according to the time of the day or the kind of activities we perform, like it changes after eating, high level activity with different clothing in warm or cold rooms. Body temperature is usually low in the morning, then during the day or evening. Because of this nature of the body, it's important to find other symptoms along with fever to find the exact cause. Fevers can be cured with a host of natural and easy home remedies available in your kitchen. Be rest assured, these remedies are backed by studies and research. 5 home remedies for fever. Number 1. Take a bath. In fever, we usually tend to feel low and lazy, but a quick bath will surely help the body to balance out the temperature. Take bath in lukewarm water. Make sure the water is not cold, as it could be a shock for the body, or too hot water which will further raises the body temperature. The water temperature has to be in the middle, not too cold or hot. This is an instant and soothing relief for fever. Number 2. Have cold foods. In fever, due to high body temperature, we try to reduce it to bring it normal level. One such option to do is having cold foods, popsicles, which means ice cream or ice cream on a wooden stick. One of the tastiest remedy which will be preferred by adult and children as well. This will reduce the body temperature from inside out. Number 3. Basil tea. Not just meant for cooking, but basil acts as a cure for many illness. Basil tea is very effective in curing fever. Take 1 teaspoon of basil, whether fresh or dried, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and add these to a cup of water. Let it steep for around 5 minutes and then strain it and drink the tea. Number 4. Apple juice. A sweet and tasty remedy to beat fever. Take 3 sweet apples, peel and slice all of them. Put them in pan with 2 cups of water and let it boil until the apples are barely mushy. Finally, strain it, add 2 teaspoons of honey and enjoy the drink. It tastes good and keep your body hydrated. Number 5. Other tips. A sponge bath for fever is also soothing. Take small towels, soak them in cool or lukewarm water and dab it to your exposed body parts. Lower your room temperature during fever to make yourself more comfortable and reduce fever. Do not go under thick blanket. This will try more hot